if I felt depressed, in pain, or just had a bad day. Thinking about my drug of choice brought instant joy. Knowing my next pickup was coming felt exactly like that sleepless Christmas Eve excitement of a kid heading to Disneyland. It's all dopamine. Now in sobriety, filling that void is incredibly difficult. I have yet to find anything that provides that same instant gratification. I tried chasing money. A big paycheck gave me a rush, but it was so temporary that I quickly grew numb to it. I thought about sex. It gives you that rush and that certain joy, but once it becomes obsessive, it becomes a problem. Plus, you need a partner to do it. Masturbation, same thing. Too much of it will just ruin you. Every addict knows that specific, instant happy feeling that wipes away boredom, sadness, and pain in one go. Finding a healthy replacement is one of the hardest parts of sobriety, but it's crucial to remember. The fun quickly turned to hell.
A narcotic user from heroin or morphine. When withdrawal does occur, the person becomes very ill. He experiences pain, may go into delirium, have high fever, and convulsions. The individual may die.
If you're in recovery, you know this story. The fun and games vanish as the addiction morphs from a want into a desperate need. That happy feeling I miss was just a fleeting moment. Thinking about it brings me dangerously close to relapse. But is it worth it? No. As for the journey, I'm still out here looking for that pure joy, just like Indiana Jones searching for the lost ark.